Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk about solving some of these equations. A lot of times students, they see this 4 take away 2 and then they think, oh, it's 2, and then they multiply with the x minus 3, and that's wrong. If you notice, you have to go ahead and distribute right here this negative over to the x and also to the negative 3. Okay, just part of order of operations. So I'm going to go ahead and take negative 2 times x and then negative 2 times negative 3. So that's going to give me negative 2x. Now remember, whatever's in front of the number, you have to use it. There's that negative. Same thing here, there's that negative 2. So negative 2 times that negative 3 is going to give you a positive 6. What about the 4? Well, just bring them down. So you can have 4. There's that minus 2x. Over here, same thing over here. A lot of students think it's 4 plus 3. No. You have to distribute this 3 to that 2 and the minus x. So you're going to bring down the 4. You're going to have 3 times 2 is 6 minus 3x. Okay. Now since the parentheses are gone, now we can try to combine like terms. Over here we have 4 and plus 6. Okay, you have that 4. And look what's in front of the 6. It's a positive. It's a plus sign. So it's 4 plus 6, which is going to give me 10 minus 2x. Same thing over here. Another 4 plus 6. And that's pretty easy. Actually, I'll just go ahead and do it. 10 minus 2x. 4 plus 6 is another 10 minus 3x. Okay. Now, I'm going to do it the long way, but what I tell my students is take the letters on the left, the variables, okay, on the left, the constants on the right. Now, as you move up in algebra, you want to work faster, smarter, not harder. So we're going to take these guys right here, this guy right here, okay, bring him over. So you're going to go ahead and bring him across, okay. Now, this positive 10 right here, this is a constant. We call it a constant. Well, I'm going to take him over here to the right side. So it's like they're switching places. So this negative, remember you have to use what's in front of that number, becomes a positive 3x, bringing that negative 10, and then this positive 10 becomes a minus. 3 minus 2 becomes 1, and 10 minus 10 is 0, and that's it. Actually, that's all you get. This one it came out kind of weird, but I want to go ahead and do one more. I want to do a fraction, just because a lot of students don't like fractions. So let's go ahead and see if we can solve this. Students don't like fractions, so let's see if we can try to simplify these and get rid of these guys. So what I want to go ahead and do is I want to multiply the whole equation by the common denominator. We call it the least common denominator. Now if you don't realize it, just go ahead and look at the bottom. You have a 3 and a 2. And what number can you use that 3 and 2 can go into it? And if you really don't know, just multiply the bottoms. 3 times 2 is 6. And now we distribute. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 1, 1 times 2. 6 times 6, don't forget that back one over there. And then 1 times 1 is 1. Now that I can simplify, divide 24 divided by 3. 36 divided by 1. And now it just becomes a lot easier to solve this guy than the fraction. Take the minus 3 over to the right, becomes a positive 3. 8x equals 39. Of course, we divide. And then you can leave it as an improper fraction, but 8 goes into 39 4 times. 32 and 7 left over, 7/8. Okay, if you don't know how I did that, well, just go ahead and do your long division. 32, 7, 7/8. Alright guys, so hopefully that helps out. Let me know, I'll make some more videos. Thanks.